Hi everyone, today we are going to assemble the HC06 Bluetooth module. Also we are going to write the code. Now let's start. Now we are going to look at the pins in the Bluetooth module. The first pin is VCC, the second pin is ground, the third pin is TXD, the fourth pin is RXD. Now you have to take 4 jumper wires, male to female, and connect them to your Bluetooth module. I first took the brown wire and connected to the VCC. The black wire is connected to the ground. The white wire is connected to the TXD pin. The grey wire is connected to the RXD pin. Then you have to take your Arduino board and connect the brown wire to the 5V VCC in your Arduino board. Then the black wire is going to be connected to the ground in my Arduino board. You have to connect the TXD pin to the RXD pin in your Arduino board. The grey pin is RXD, so it has to be connected to the TXD pin in my Arduino board. Now you have to take 3 jumper wires and a breadboard and 2 LEDs. Then you have to take the side of the cathode in your LED bulb and connect it to the blue line side in your breadboard. And also you have to connect the cathode side in the other bulb in the blue line side in your breadboard. Then take 2 jumper wires and connect them to the anode side in your LED bulbs. And then you have to take your Arduino board and connect those wires to any digital pin in your Arduino board. I connected the purple wire to the 8th pin in my Arduino board. The grey wire is connected to the 9th pin in my Arduino board. Now take another jumper wire and connect it to the cathode side in your breadboard and connect it to the ground pin in your Arduino board. Then take an Android phone and go to Play Store and search for Bluetooth Arduino Control and click on Arduino Bluetooth Control and install it. Now turn on your Bluetooth. If you're using this Bluetooth module for the first time, then select HC06 and pair it and put the pin code 1234. Then press OK. It will now pair. Now you have to open your app and it will automatically connect to your module, and you have to press button and slider. Then the top of the right corner there is the robo icon, and select command button configuration and click button A and write capital A, and click button B and put capital B, and button C capital C, button D capital D, button E capital E, button F capital F. Now I'm gonna write the code. First you have to define your pins. I am writing LED 1 8 because I connect it to the 8 pin in my Arduino board. Then I am writing LED 2 9 because I connect it to the 9th pin in my Arduino board. Now I am going to write a variable. The data type is char. The variable name is command. Now in the void setup, I am going to write serial begin 9600. Then I am gonna define my pin modes. I am writing LED 1 and LED 2 outputs because they are outputs. Now I am gonna write in the void loop. First you have to write if serial.available. Serial.available means if any data comes to the Arduino board, you have to take it and put it to the command variable. It is called serial.read. Now I am going to write a if condition. Now I am going to look at if the command variable is same to the letter A. Now I am going to write digital write LED1 high. Now I'm gonna check if the command variable is equal to the letter B. Then I'm gonna write digital write LED to high. Now I'm gonna look at if the command variable is equal to the letter C. Then I'm gonna write digital write LED1 low. Now I'm gonna check if the command variable is equal to the letter D. Then I'm gonna write digital write LED2 low. Otherwise, the both are low. Now I'm gonna upload it. First, you have to remove the TXD and RXD pins in your Arduino board. Then you have to upload it. Now it's uploading. No errors. Now you have to put the TXD and the RXD pins in the Arduino board. Now go to your app and press the A letter and it will turn on the green LED bulb. Then if you press B, it will turn on the red LED bulb. If you press C, it will turn off the green LED bulb. If you press D, it will turn off the red LED bulb. If you press E, it will turn off the both of the LED bulbs. Now I am going to write the second method, the switch method. The switch method is same as the if condition method. You can write this code like this way. Also the buttons are same as the last code. Now we are going to upload it. First you have to remove the TXD and the RXD pins. Then now uploading. No errors. You can connect them to the TXD and the RXD pins now. Now I am going to press the A button and the B button. It will turn on the green and the red. If you press C and D, it will turn off with the green and the red. If you press E, it will turn off both of the lights. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.